Seeing this bird belonging to the Bulbul family, viewers might be thinking why we have included it in our story. This bird is selected among all the 23 types of bulbuls found in India because of various reasons. This inhabitant of evergreen forests is seen mainly on trees found along the river banks. There, they live in small groups feeding on berries and tiny insects on the forest canopy. The nectar from large wildflowers is also a favorite food. Moreover, they are even seen in mixed hunting flocks along with other species of birds. They are seen in large numbers in their ideal habitat. In spite of this, it's a challenge to see and photograph them as they are highly active among the canopy. We had to spend a long time to capture these footages. In that morning light, their colors were clearly visible. This bird with olive green upper parts and yellow underside has also a black crest. The white iris on the black face provides an additional beauty to the bird. Although hidden, the triangular orange-red spot on its throat gives a beautiful name to this bird. This is the flame-throated bulbul, which has been declared as the state bird of Goa. It's also known as ruby-throated bulbul. Its endemism to the Western Ghats mountain ranges in India adds a global value to this wild beauty. Those who are traveling along with us for the total awareness of nature, we hope these little facts about flame-throated bulbul are worthwhile and inspirational for the explorations ahead.